In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change your display name in Zoho Mail so your emails look exactly the way you want. First, open your browser and go to mailzoho.com. Then log in with your account details. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click the gear icon for settings. From the menu, find Mail Settings and then select Send Mail As. Here you will see the display name field. This is the name people see when they receive your emails. Simply delete the old one, type in your new display name and double check for any spelling mistakes. When you're happy with it, hit update to save your changes. That's it. Next time you send an email, your new display name will show up instantly. You can come back anytime to update it again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple Zoho Mail tips.